At SmartPixel.tv, our goal is to take full advantage of the new technologies, more specifically the multi-touch aspect of large format displays, by offering state-of-the-art applications for various industries such as real estate, tourism, marketing, and for presentation purposes. We have programmed specific tools that help us create dynamic and innovative solutions, allowing many people to interact simultaneously on a display. Our applications are meant to be autonomous. Once developed, our clients can update their content and visual aspect of their application so that it's never outdated. Our tools are unique and will constantly stay up to date through the cloud. Depending on your needs, we can create eye-candy interfaces, realistic 3D environments, and functional tools to reserve, buy, share, and explore any type of information. Nowadays, creativity is a must to reach your audience, and when combining creativity with technological innovations, the results can be surprising. SmartPixel.tv offers turnkey solutions so that you have nothing to worry about. From hardware consulting to maintenance and support, we will help you achieve your goals. The so-called wow factor is our expertise. We create unforgettable experiences with social interactions that allow our clients to reach new customers and present their product or services in a way that has never been fully explored before.